What's going on, guys? Ryan with Car Audio Inc. I did an install on the 2019 Nissan Frontier a couple months ago. I never got to do a video of it, but it's back for a remote start, so I just finished that. So let's go take a peek, shall we? It's a nice truck, very simple. Definitely one of the smaller trucks, but yeah, let's turn it on, shall we? Back when we did the install, we did a DDX 607 4S. It's kind of an older unit that has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wired. As you can see down here, that's where the connection for it is. Couldn't get this centered because of the cutouts were offset, so there would have been space over here, but otherwise I think it looks pretty good. Here it is in the dash. Nice unit. Customer likes pink. Up here is the Bluetooth microphone. As you can see, no wires showing. And that is the CompuStar CM900, I think. Transmitter. So it's a two-way. But as you can see, steering wheel controls work.
This is building black
fully. We also retain the factory backup camera, so there's that. We also did footwell LEDs. So down here is a little switch, and you can turn those on and off. It's a fun little addition. You can change the pattern and the color and everything via Bluetooth. Let's see what else. I think that's about it.
They're great like that, drive safe like that. I save like that, straight up facts.
Anyway, it's tough. You often get copyrighted with these, with the radio stuff. But yeah, nice car. As you can see, just want to show you, nothing really hanging down for the remote start. Everything is zip tied and soldered. You know, it's more expensive than like going to Best Buy, but at least it'll last. Unfortunately, remote starts have and alarms have a bad name because of bad installers, but I've been doing them for I think 8 years now. I've never had one fail. Not saying it doesn't happen, but soldering everything and doing everything right really makes all the difference. You know, like even the hood pin or the ground for the alarm, you know, you need to scrape the paint and then seal it again so it doesn't rust over. But you know, a lot of shops won't do that. Anyway, so let's turn this off and check out the remote start. I'm gonna lock it And then start her up. I always forget you have to hold it with these. And that's it. If you like what you guys saw, hit us up at caraudioinc.com.